Beautiful people, it's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, just really want to take some time out, and I wanted to talk about with Christmas coming. I wanted to kind of put something together for my people that are, that are kind of all over the place. You know what I'm saying? Instant commission, nothing but PayPal commissions. Payouts. And you have an opportunity. Not even gonna say nothing but PayPal. Merchant account and PayPal accounts. This is the instant type of system that I want to put together here for you, where it has an instant income stream and it also has residual income streams on the back. Pretty much, guys, I was really inspired by the whole Funnel X thing, but you guys know me, right? You guys know that I like to put together my own stuff and brand my own self, and not even gonna say necessarily brand my own self, also make things evergreen for other people, where people can switch things out for their own. And that's why I love TCP, guys. What I'm working on right now is an actual funnel that's gonna promote Easy One Up, TCP, and also gonna promote advertising boost, all on one link. So all through one funnel. Okay, so it's an actual funnel that I'm working on right now as we speak, guys. That I've actually started working on. So what I wanted to do is give you guys an opportunity to get positioned. So once I get the funnel together, it's going to be a full walkthrough. Literally, it's going to be step one, sign up for, income stream number one. Step two, sign up for your, your marketing system, what's going to put everything on autopilot. And step three, sign up for, the advertising boost, which that's going to be something that allows you to pretty much give away free vacations and free restaurant vouchers as well. So you can entice people to join your business, give people an incentive for watching your video, something like that. That's what this is all used for, and I wanted to put that all in one link. Because don't get me wrong, guys, like I said, I have autoresponders and things like that already, and I don't want to reinvent the wheel, right? So this is why another reason I wanted to do this, because a lot of kickback that I have been getting about Funnel X is that a lot of people already have an autoresponder. So now they feel like they're being forced to actually use Now Lifestyle's autoresponder. They're like, hey Jay, we already got this type of marketing system, we got this and that. We don't feel that we, or I feel like I don't need that particular system as well, because now I'm just putting more money out, where as opposed to where I want to kind of have everything on one or two lists. Which I dig it. So that's why I said, what? For my people that's in TCP, that are utilizing TCP, I wanted to put this together, and I wanted to start working on something that is going to allow you guys to actually have 3 income streams in one. And this is going to be a cool thing, man, because like I said, they're all tying in hand to hand. So if you don't know what Easy One Up is, which is the first income stream, you're going to have an opportunity to earn anywhere between $25 all the way up to $2,000. And as a marketer, Easy One Up offers a plethora of training that you're going to need in your business. Let's just face it, if you're going to college, a lot of things now are ebooks now. There are a lot of things that you can get online. There are a lot of just, electronically that you can get. And it's the same thing. This is electronic training, where you're able to download this information and now have it upon your archives of information when it comes to marketing. So if you wanted to give this away, do the same type of training and teach it to your people, now you're doing that, okay? So that's why I said, man, this is something, a program that you're going to need. Then you're going to have a marketing system that's going to pretty much do all the selling and telling for you. Everything is going to tie hand in hand with this particular system, and I wanted to put this together, guys, just before the holidays, man. I know a lot of people want money right now. They don't want to wait. They don't want to wait a week. Like I said, I have other programs that I'm involved in, but this is why I also have things like this, because people want to get paid right now too. People want to get paid directly into their PayPal, directly into their merchant account, directly into their Payza account, directly into their Bitcoin account. You can get paid multiple ways, guys, when it comes to the income streams in this system. Okay, so man, I definitely look forward to you guys at least locking in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave the income streams right at the bottom here, where you can, if you want to get positioned now, you definitely can. The funnel could possibly be done by tonight, as I'm still putting everything together on it. So possibly by tonight or possibly by Thursday, guys. You got to forgive me. I got a newborn still. So definitely work with me, okay? But definitely, something that I'm putting together for. So I kind of got the sales page ready to go for the first income stream. and then I'm working on the second one. So it's a lot of stuff that I have already done. I'm just tying them all together where step 1, step 2, step 3, and it all makes sense to you, okay? So this your boy Jay. I'm out. Until the next video, have a beautiful and blessed day. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Definitely appreciate if you share this video as well. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.